Good morning to one and all. Myself Shahbaz Sethi, and today we are going to discuss the new topic, that is complex number. So here is the question of complex number. The chapter is complex number, and you need to express the complex number in the form of a plus ib. A plus ib. What is a? If you have a complex number, that means a plus ib. This a is real number and this is imaginary. Real and imaginary. So your question is 1 upon 3 minus 4i. So if you solve this, what you have 1 upon 3 minus 4i as it is. After that, this is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 4i. You have to rationalize this denominator 3 minus 4i, that is 3 plus 4i upon 3 plus 4i. After solving, we have 3 plus 4i upon this is nothing but a minus b and a plus b, that is a square, that is 3 square minus 4i whole square. If you try to solve this, that is 3 plus 4i as it is upon 3 3 is 9 minus 4i square. Sorry, 4 square is 16i square. Now again, if you solve the denominator, we have 9 minus, what is I square? The value of I square is minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. If you multiply this, you will have 3 plus 4i upon 9 plus 16. That is 3 plus 4i upon 9 plus 16 is 25. Now, if you separate the numerator with respect to the denominator, you have 3 upon 25 plus 4i upon 25. So, that is your real and that is your imaginary part. So, it can be presented in the form of 3 upon 25 plus I 4 upon 25. That is your answer. I hope that is clear to you. Now I am going to repeat the again. That is, your question is 1 upon 3 minus 4i. You have to represent it in the form of a plus ib. That means a plus ib. So 1 upon 3 minus 4i, if we take, we will have 1 upon 3 minus 4i. You have to multiply, you have to rationalize with the denominator. You have 3 minus 4i is equal to 3 plus 4i upon 3 plus 4i. 3 plus 4i as it is. After solving the denominator is on the formula of a minus b and a plus b. A minus b, that is a square minus b square. 3 plus 4i is equal to 3 3 is 9 minus 16i square. 3 plus 4i, 16 minus plus 9 plus 16, that is 3 plus 4i upon 25. You have to separate with respect to the numerator, that is 3 upon 25 plus 4i upon 25. That is your following form, that is the form of a plus ib. So friends, that is your next question. This question is 5 plus 4i upon 4 plus 5i. Now, you have to again solve the following in the form of a plus 4i, where a is your real part and b is your imaginary part. So, if you solve this, you will have 5 plus 4i upon 4 plus 5i. Multiply this with the, you can say, rationalize this with respect to the denominator. You have 5 plus 4i upon 4 plus 5i into 4 minus 5i upon 4 minus 5i. After multiplying, you will have 5 4s are 20 and plus 16i minus 25i minus 20i square. In the denominator you will have a plus b and a minus b. It is nothing but a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus 5i square. After solving, you will have this 20 is as it is. Now this is I square. If you solve it, you will have I square minus I, and that becomes plus 20. And this taking I from these both from these numbers 16 and 25, so you will have plus I and 16 minus 25 upon 16 minus 5 5 are 25. What is I square? I square as it is. Right, I square is equal to minus 1. Now again solving this, you will have 40 minus 9i upon 16 plus 25, because I square is nothing but 1. So after solving, we will have 40 minus 9 upon 41. That can be written as 40 upon 41 minus I 9 upon 41. That is your real part and that is your imaginary part. I hope that much is clear to you. This is in the form of a plus ib. So I hope that is clear to you. I will repeat it again. Please focus on the question again. You will have 5 plus 4i upon 4 plus 5i. You just need to have in the form of a plus ib, that is a complex number. So you need to rationalize with respect to the denominator, that is 5 plus 4i upon 4 plus 5i. So you have to multiply with 4 minus 5 upon 4 minus 5i. After multiplying, you will have 20 plus 16i minus 25i minus 20i square. In the denominator, you will have a square minus b square, 4 square minus 25i square. That is, so you have to separate the real part and the imaginary part. In the above equation, you will have the real part 20, and here it is also 20. So 20 plus 20, that is 40, and the imaginary part is 16i minus 25i. So it is 16 minus 25, where I is common. After solving, you will have 16 minus 25 is minus 9, and that is in the denominator you will have 16 plus 25, because the value of I square is minus 1. So 16 plus 25 is 41, and 40 minus I9 is same as it is. After solving, you will have 40 upon 41 minus I9 upon 41. That is your basic form of complex number, that is a plus ib. I hope that is clear to you. Thank you.